Hey, and welcome back for another video. This time I want to dive a little bit into the second part of the 16-step playbook, and that is the search engine optimization and answer engine optimization section, where basically what we go over is what it is that you're doing with the optimization and who you're optimizing it for. Now, we know that Google is highly searched, still holds a huge majority of search traffic, but people are also looking at ChatGPT and Grok and other AI services that offer information. So we want to get ranked and we want to list in those too. We want to be on those as well. A secret to that is to get your Bing business profile going as well as your Google business profile going. ChatGPT has OpenAI has an API with the Bing, so they actually have a repository of information from Bing, and then they also will search Google and various other sources on demand. But they do pull a lot from Bing. So you want to be listed on Bing, you want to rank on Bing and show up there. But before we get too into the weeds on it, let's just talk about what the optimization is. So if you've got content that you've written, questions people are asking, and you've created this content, you've answered these questions, then you want that to show up. Now, just because you publish a post online doesn't mean it's going to show up in Google's index because of AI, because of the thousands and thousands of pages that are published online every single day using AI, there is now kind of a culling process with Google where they don't just index every single published page in their index. In fact, they're actually de-indexing pages every single day by the thousands because they want what shows up in Google to be relevant to the end user, not just some junk that AI created. Now, you can use AI to create content all day long, but you want it to be relevant. You want it to be helpful. You want it to be knowledgeable. You want it to be a good resource. Google wants to show their end users, which is also you and I, content that is truthful, meaningful, helpful, authoritative, and then they've got a great way of finding that content and displaying it. So when you're optimizing your pages, all you're doing is making sure that your content is helpful and it's relevant and it's meaningful and it's authentic and authoritative. So once you do that, you've optimized your content and you want to make sure that it gets indexed on Bing and you want to make sure it gets indexed on Google. And that's going to help you to be in the list of pages that get pulled when people do AI searches. So that's just a quick overview of the SEO AEO part. Thanks for watching and check out the next video.